Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Sunco 2x4 LED drop ceiling lights. So here I have a bunch of them already installed. Here's what the back looks like. So you're going to take this screw out. This is going to expose the wires. Now you do have some, these are for dimming, and these are for line voltage. You have a green one, a white one, and a black one. Now this cable does not come with it. This is just what I'm using for demonstration. It does come with these wire nuts. Now you will need to poke out one of these holes either here or here and then put like a wire clamp in there. Now I really like it has a physical switch. I can determine what color I want that to be. 4000 will be more of a yellow and the 6000 will be more of a really bright white. Now I can hang it. It does have these hooks that I can move and I can bend over like that if I need to, and I can put a wire through there. But I let mine sit in the drop ceiling. So if you take your drop ceiling out, it will sit down in that recessed area of your drop ceiling. And the panel is really bright. Here's what it looks like. I've got it plugged in and just turned over. Here's the recommended dimmers. Here's the specification. It is 50 watts, 100 volts to 277 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.